In today's video, we're diving into a topic that everyone can relate to: how to make any girl beg for your attention. Whether you're looking to impress your crush, deepen your current relationship, or just boost your confidence around women, we've got the tips and tricks you need. We'll explore proven psychological techniques, communication strategies, and confidence-building exercises that will make you irresistible. So, if you're ready to become the center of her world, keep watching and get ready to transform your interactions with women forever. 1. Don't rush to apologize. Too many men fall into the trap of apologizing the moment they sense trouble. It's like a knee-jerk reaction, any hint of dissatisfaction from her, and they're scrambling to say sorry. Think about it: she hints at a breakup, and your immediate response is to apologize. Remember, saying sorry when you haven't clearly messed up screams desperation. Believe this: she translates every unnecessary apology as a sign of weakness. So unless you've committed a major betrayal, keep that apology in check. Stand strong, maintain your dignity, and don't let sorry be your surrender flag. 2. Take time to respond. Stop being so quick to reply. It might seem minor, but delaying your responses can shift the entire dynamic of your interactions. When you don't rush to answer every one of her texts immediately, you stir curiosity. She starts to wonder, what is he up to? Why isn't he responding like he always does? This tactic adds a layer of mystery and intrigue to your persona. Next time she texts, wait. Give it an hour or two. Let her marinate in the unknown. Show that your world doesn't revolve around her notifications. It's a simple strategy that pulls her closer by pulling back. B. Make decisions yourself. Be the man with a plan. Women are drawn to men who lead, not those who wait until someone hands them the menu. Before a date, do your homework. Choose a spot that aligns with your budget and style. When you take charge and make decisive choices, you set the stage. It shows you are a man of action, not reaction. If you let her make all the decisions, she might feel in control temporarily, but deep down, she knows it's a hollow victory. She wants to feel like she's joining a journey, not leading a follower. Don't just impress her, lead her. Make clear choices and stand by them. She will notice and respect that strength. 4. Avoid asking why. One huge mistake is asking why during a breakup. When she decides to leave, she doesn't need a concrete reason, and she certainly won't give you one that makes sense. If you press for answers, you'll get the runaround with cliches like "it's not you, it's me," or "I just need some space." These are empty excuses, not real reasons. Chasing these answers only strips you of your dignity. Understand that if you're meant to be with someone, one good reason to stay is enough. Conversely, if she's looking to leave, she'll use any minor flaw as an excuse, despite all your good qualities. Stay strong. Don't degrade yourself by begging for reasons. You are better than that. 5. Leverage fear of missing out. Leveraging the fear of missing out, FOMO, can be a powerful strategy in attracting attention, especially in the context of relationships. FOMO is a psychological phenomenon where people experience anxiety over the possibility of missing out on something exciting or rewarding. When applied to social interactions, it can make someone feel a heightened desire to be part of your life. To effectively use FOMO in attracting a girl's attention, start by showcasing an interesting and fulfilling life. Share your hobbies, achievements, and exciting plans on social media and in conversations. The key is to create a perception that you are always engaged in activities that are fun, rewarding, and slightly exclusive. When she sees that you're living an enriching life, she might feel compelled to be a part of it, fearing she could miss out on great experiences and memorable moments. Another critical aspect is to be somewhat unpredictable. Don't always be readily available. Occasionally, take longer to reply to messages or turn down invitations politely because you have other plans. This unpredictability can make her more intrigued and eager to secure your time and attention, fearing she might lose her chance. Social proof also plays a crucial role in leveraging FOMO. Surround yourself with a positive social circle and let her see that others value your company. When she notices that other people enjoy being around you, it reinforces the idea that you are someone worth knowing, increasing her desire to be included in your life. 6. Attract with your achievements. Attracting with your achievements is an effective way to capture someone's attention and admiration, particularly in the context of romantic interest. Achievements signal competence, ambition, and dedication, qualities that many find appealing and attractive. Here's how you can leverage your accomplishments to draw her interest. First and foremost, be proud of your achievements without being boastful. Confidence is key. When you talk about your successes, do so in a humble and genuine manner. For instance, instead of saying, "I got a promotion because I'm the best," you could say, "I was really excited to be promoted because I've been working hard on several challenging projects this way." You're sharing your success while showing that you value hard work and perseverance. Highlight achievements that reflect qualities she might find attractive or inspiring. These could include professional milestones, academic accomplishments, personal projects, or even community involvement. For example, if you've completed a marathon, it demonstrates your dedication, discipline, and commitment to health and fitness. If you've achieved something significant in your career, it shows ambition, competence, and resilience. Incorporate your achievements naturally into conversations. Rather than listing them off, weave them into stories or relevant discussions. For example, if you're talking about a recent trip, you might mention how you were able to afford it thanks to a recent job promotion or a successful side business. This keeps the conversation engaging and ensures your accomplishments are shared in context, making them more relatable and impressive. Moreover, use your achievements to create opportunities for shared experiences. If you've mastered a skill, such as playing a musical instrument, cooking, or a particular sport, invite her to join you. This not only showcases your talents but also creates a space for bonding and mutual enjoyment. It turns your accomplishments into a platform for building connections. Additionally, recognize and celebrate her achievements as well. Showing genuine interest in her successes fosters mutual respect and admiration. It creates a balanced dynamic where both parties feel valued and appreciated for their efforts and accomplishments. By integrating your achievements into your interactions thoughtfully and authentically, you can attract her attention and admiration. Your successes become a testament to your character and values, making you more appealing and inspiring in her eyes. 7. Always look your best. Always looking your best is essential in making a strong, positive impression and maintaining the attention of others, especially in romantic contexts. How you present yourself greatly influences how others perceive you and can significantly affect your interactions and relationships. Firstly, putting effort into your appearance demonstrates self-respect and confidence. When you consistently look your best, it shows that you care about yourself and the image you project. This self-assurance is highly attractive because confidence is a universally appealing trait. People are naturally drawn to those who exhibit a strong sense of self-worth. Additionally, your appearance communicates a lot about your personality and lifestyle. Clean, well-fitted clothes, a neat hairstyle, and overall good grooming can convey professionalism, attention to detail, and a sense of style. These attributes suggest that you are organized, take pride in yourself, and pay attention to the finer details in life. This can make you more appealing because it implies that you have your life together and value quality. Moreover, always looking your best has psychological benefits that can enhance your social interactions. When you know you look good, you tend to feel more confident and act more assertively. This positive self-perception can make you more engaging, charismatic, and approachable. People are drawn to those who exude positive energy and confidence, making them more likely to be interested in getting to know you better. Looking your best also shows respect for those around you. It signals that you value the people you are with and care about making a good impression. This effort can enhance your attractiveness because it indicates that you put thought and consideration into your social interactions. It shows that you are mindful of how your appearance affects others and are willing to invest time and effort to maintain a positive image. 8. Send mixed messages. Sending mixed messages can be a strategic way to capture and maintain someone's interest, especially in romantic contexts. This approach involves creating an air of mystery and uncertainty, which can make interactions more intriguing and engaging. Here's how and why it works. Firstly, sending mixed messages can create a sense of unpredictability. When someone is unsure about your feelings or intentions, they are more likely to be curious and invested in figuring you out. This uncertainty can heighten their interest and keep you on their mind. For example, alternating between being very attentive and slightly aloof can make them wonder about your true intentions, prompting them to seek more interactions to understand you better. Additionally, mixed messages can stimulate emotional engagement. By varying your levels of attention and affection, you can evoke a range of emotions, from excitement to anticipation. This emotional roller coaster can make your interactions more memorable and impactful. For instance, showing genuine interest and then pulling back slightly can create a longing for your attention, making them more eager to seek it out. However, it's crucial to balance this approach carefully to avoid causing frustration or confusion. Mixed messages should be subtle and not lead to outright miscommunication or hurt feelings. For example, showing interest through compliments or thoughtful gestures one day, followed by a period of being less available, can create intrigue without causing distress. The goal is to maintain a playful and engaging dynamic, not to manipulate or play games. Furthermore, mixed messages can enhance your perceived value. When you are not always readily available, it suggests that you have a busy, fulfilling life and are not dependent on constant attention from others. This can make you seem more desirable because people are often attracted to those who appear self-sufficient and in demand. It conveys that your time and attention are valuable, which can make others more eager to earn them. Conclusion. By now you've learned some powerful strategies to make any girl beg for your attention. Remember, confidence, showcasing your achievements, leveraging FOMO, looking your best, and sending mixed messages are key elements in creating an irresistible allure. Apply these tips authentically and responsibly, and watch how they transform your interactions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on mastering relationships and social dynamics. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.